Welcome to the day 4 of the 21 Days Abundance Challenge. Sit with your spine comfortably erect. If you are sitting on a chair, make sure it does not have a headrest. Your head should be free. Sitting on the ground with crossed legs is advisable. Sit in a comfortable place where you will not be disturbed for next 5 to 10 minutes. We will begin the meditation with a powerful Sanskrit mantra and continue meditating with the central thought of the day in mind. Close your eyes, place your palms on your thighs facing upwards, and shift your focus in between your eyebrows. You will feel a light tension or a headache-like sensation, but it is normal. Keep your focus there for next 5 to 6 minutes. I will mind the time and let you know when to open the eyes. Asato ma satgamaya tamso ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amritan gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. From this moment forward, I invite unlimited abundance into my life. From this moment forward, I invite unlimited abundance into my life. I resonate with the thought that I am the universe. Aham Brahmasmi. And therefore, from this moment forward, I invite unlimited abundance into my life. I invite unlimited abundance into my life. I am a reflection of the universe. I am the universe. Aham Brahmasmi. I am universe. And universe is full of abundance. I invite unlimited abundance into my life. From this moment forward, I invite unlimited abundance into my life. From this moment forward, I invite unlimited abundance into my life. From this moment forward, I invite unlimited abundance into my life. I resonate with the thought that I am the universe. Aham Brahmasmi. And therefore, from this moment forward, I invite unlimited abundance into my life. Now bring your palms together and rub them. Place them upon your eyes Take a deep inhale and slow exhale. Put your palms on your ears. Take a deep inhale and slow exhale. Place your palm at the back of your neck. Take a deep inhale and slow exhale. Slowly slide your palms along your neck until they meet in Namaskar. And very gently bow down your head. And when you are ready, slowly open your eyes. For today's exercise, make a list of people whom you consider to be prosperous in your family or general environment. These are people you personally know and have access to. They may have achieved their goals in life, all or in part, and are happy and filled with joy, or are perceived by you as such. Important notice though, we are not just talking about the financial prosperity. The obligatory component is the joy, the happiness that this person is experiencing. These can be people from the previous list. How many does not matter, even 2 is enough. So long as they are the reflection to you of living a life of abundance and prosperity. Please remember, the more attention and reflection you give to these simple tasks, the greater the return. On doing this task, I leave you here with a question. What does it mean to be immersed in pure consciousness? You can write down the answer, or you can simply give a thought. What does it mean to be immersed in pure consciousness? On completion, comment down below, day 4, done. I'll see you in the next video. Namaste.